The VTVe is a compact tub vacuum that offers great performance, excellent manoeuvrability and has an A energy rating. Please read the full user instructions before using this machine and check that your supply voltage corresponds with that marked on the rating label on the rear of the machine. Pull the two latches on either side of the machine and lift off the cover. Lift off the cloth filter bag and ensure that the vacuum bag is fitted. Replace the cloth filter bag and lid of the machine and secure both latches on either side of the machine. Attach the vacuum hose by turning in a clockwise direction. Attach the wand to the hose and attach the floor tool. The on-off button is situated at the top of the machine. To release the power cable, turn the cord release latch to lift up the cord retainer. Lift out the cable and replace the cord retainer, securing back in position. Connect the machine to a suitable power supply. Extend your telescopic wand by pushing on the button and extending the wand. Press the on-off button on the machine. Start vacuuming in your chosen area. To increase or decrease the vacuum suction, slide the relief valve on the vacuum hose handle. Check the floor tool is set to the appropriate setting for the floor type you're cleaning by pushing on the button to change from carpet to hard floors. A crevice tool and dusting brush are included with the machine and can be used for difficult to reach areas and detail vacuuming. These are stored conveniently at the back of the machine. To replace the vacuum bag, ensure the machine is switched off and unplugged from the power supply. Pull the two latches on either side of the machine and lift off the cover. Lift out the cloth filter bag. Pull out the bag from the nozzle and close the green bag collar to contain all dust and debris. Install a new bag by securely fitting onto the nozzle. Replace the cloth filter bag and cover. Always unplug the machine after use. After every use, check the dust bag and if full, replace. Check the filter bag and filter to ensure there are no blockages. Check the power cable for any wear or damage and wrap the supply cord around the machine. Attach the hose and floor tool to the side of the machine. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only.